In today's video, I'm gonna be making my Civic Si louder. So I'm gonna be getting rid of that quiet muffler right there, the OEM muffler. I hope this thing starts right now because I think my starter's on its last legs. This is the moment of truth. Will the red JDM key start the SI? All right, guys, I got this last spring bolt out. Got the OEM axle back off. This thing actually sounds pretty mean right now. All right, let's go see how loud this thing really is. I wonder how loud the VTEC's gonna be, honestly. I don't think I've ever driven this car around without a muffler yet. This thing, not even lying right now, thought it was gonna sound a lot ricier with the alpha header. Cruising around, this thing sounds sick. VTEC is so freaking loud, I can't even describe it, guys. Like, my GoPro doesn't do any justice. Like, I'm gonna try to do a pull for you. Your boy is shook right now, dude. It backfires. Gerb's about to get pulled over with this exhaust, man. I might get into some serious trouble, but I gotta take it easy. Thank God I got a muffler, though, because it's gonna be a little bit quieter than this. Definitely more stealthy, so it won't be as sketchy to run it, and I won't have to like worry about cops or anything. So dude, I am like a freaking kid in a candy store right now, I gotta tell you. Let's see how loud she is from outside the car. Guys, that's it for the vid. I hope you guys liked the little muffler delete. I have never done this before, and honestly, like, I like the way it sounds. It's a little bit too loud, but we'll see how this thing sounds when I get my new muffler in. Hopefully next week. If you liked it, give it a like, drop all your comments down below. How many of you guys are straight piped, how many of you guys run no mufflers, etc. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching.